Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 20th, 2026, and we're diving into Onto Innovation's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter and full year of 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, Onto Innovation has reported some impressive numbers. Can you give us a brief overview of the company and its recent performance?
Absolutely. Onto Innovation is a leader in process control within the semiconductor industry, known for its advanced metrology and inspection solutions. The company has just reported record quarterly revenue of $267 million and full-year revenue surpassing $1 billion for the first time. This growth is driven by strategic acquisitions and strong demand for their next-generation Dragonfly systems.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Onto Innovation reported a net revenue of $266.9 million for the fourth quarter, which is a slight increase from the previous year. However, the gross margin has seen a decline. John, can you elaborate on these figures?
Sure. The revenue growth of 1.1% year-over-year is modest but significant given the competitive landscape. The gross margin, however, decreased to 46.4% on a GAAP basis, down from 50.2% last year. This decline is primarily due to increased costs associated with their recent acquisition and integration efforts. On a non-GAAP basis, the gross margin remained stable at 54.6%, indicating strong operational efficiency.
And what about the bottom line?
Onto Innovation's net income for the quarter was $10.5 million, with a diluted EPS of 21 cents. However, on a non-GAAP basis, the adjusted EPS was $1.26, which is slightly below the analyst's forecast of $1.27. This slight miss can be attributed to the increased operating expenses related to their strategic initiatives.
Strategic initiatives and acquisitions. Onto Innovation has been active on the strategic front, completing acquisitions and securing significant agreements. Can you tell us more about these initiatives?
Indeed, Onto Innovation completed the acquisition of key product lines from Semilab International, which is expected to enhance their materials analysis capabilities. Additionally, they have shipped their next-generation Dragonfly systems to multiple customers, which are currently under evaluation. This positions them well in the high-growth segments of the semiconductor market.
And what about the new purchase agreement?
They've closed a substantial volume purchase agreement worth over $240 million with a leading high-bandwidth memory manufacturer. This deal is for their Dragonfly 2D inspection and 3D bump metrology systems, supporting expansion plans through 2027. It's a testament to the strong demand for their advanced inspection solutions.
Financial outlook and market position. Looking ahead, Onto Innovation has provided guidance for the first quarter of 2026. What are the key highlights from their outlook?
For Q1 2026, Onto Innovation expects revenue between $275 million and $285 million, with a non-GAAP EPS ranging from 1.26 to 1.36 cents. This guidance reflects their confidence in continued demand for their products, particularly in the semiconductor capital equipment sector, which is experiencing a robust upcycle driven by global AI investments.
How does Onto Innovation's market position look in the context of these projections?
Onto Innovation is well-positioned to capitalize on the high-growth segments of the semiconductor market. Their broad portfolio across advanced packaging and specialty devices, coupled with strong customer engagement, reinforces their ability to outgrow the market in 2026 and beyond.
Key takeaways. In summary, Onto Innovation has delivered a strong performance with record revenue and strategic advancements. Despite a slight miss on the EPS forecast, their outlook remains robust. John, any final thoughts on Onto Innovation's investment prospects?
Onto Innovation's strategic initiatives and strong market position make it a compelling investment opportunity. Their focus on high-growth areas and successful integration of acquisitions should drive future growth. Investors should keep an eye on their execution in the coming quarters.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Onto Innovation's performance in the comments below. Until next time.